Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I have my coffee today. I'm going to need a lot of it today. It's one of those days. So, I hope you all had a great weekend. I had a very busy weekend. It seems like all my weekends are busy, but this one was a good busy weekend. Saturday, I was able to go to a little birthday party for one of my adopted granddaughters who turned 6, and it was really sweet. We had a cookout Saturday evening and just celebrated with her, watched the football game, and so yesterday we had church, and we had, on the 5th Sunday of every month, we have a potluck, and we had one of those yesterday, and it was nice just being around my church family and stuff, and fellowshipping, and it was a good day. But I didn't get a lot done as far as craft wise, but I have a lot coming up for you this week. Things, always seem bleak before the brightest part of the day or whatever. And while my struggles are not over by any means, I got a little reprieve, and hopefully I will have my internet for a while. So I do have videos for you. Yeah, I got a call yesterday from my Dollar Tree manager who had some new little things that came in that she's never seen before and never seen in any of our Dollar Trees around here. Now, that's not to say they've not been seen somewhere else, just not here. And I will tell you all more about that tomorrow because I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. It's not a huge one, but it's a Christmas Dollar Tree haul, and I'm excited about that. And then on Wednesday, I may have a little DIY for you. And but for sure on Wednesday, I have October's Color Combo Challenge. Now, if you never watched these, you should totally watch them. We have a great group of people that each and every month, Gareth Frewer and I started this almost 2 years ago, and we pick a combination of different colors. We try to stump each other every once in a while, and we create a card with it. And October's will be out this Wednesday, and I'm really excited about it. And if you want to participate as far as trying out the colors that we do, then you make the card and you go over and you post a pic on Created Home with G's Facebook page, and we give out a monthly goodie bag. It's not based on what your card looks like, it's just based on a random draw. So it's not a challenge in the fact that you're trying to beat somebody or make the best card. It's just a challenge that you have fun with and just do the colors. So that'll be out Wednesday for sure. And then on Thursday, if I get it done, I may have a special little thing for you on Thursday. And as every day, I will have my devotions out during the day. Now, this afternoon, I will be going back to the doctor's and getting some results from tests, and hopefully things will be okay there, and then I'll still be around to do videos and things. If you didn't watch my last week's Monday Morning Coffee, I implore you to go watch that because it just explains a lot of different things going on, and I really don't want to keep, hashing it out. But I am struggling with my lupus right now, and so hopefully we can get that worked out and still be here to do videos and crafting and different things like that. So I think that's about it for the week. I don't know about Friday. Oh, and today, after this video goes up, it'll probably be out a little bit later than that, but I have some Happy Mail that I want to share with you. I got it last week, and I just wasn't able to get the video uploaded, and so that will be coming out today as well. And I apologize to the people who sent me the Happy Mail that's taken me so long to get it out. But you guys know the struggle was real, and the struggle is still real. But that will be out today. I promise. And so, like I said, I have videos coming out today. It's just all dependent. And this week, and it really just depends on what goes on at the doctor's office as to how many. And I am looking forward to starting some Christmas projects. And I can't wait for that. So, and that's going to be coming up really soon. Especially with something that I got from the Dollar Tree yesterday. And the new Crafty section. And you guys will have to turn in for that tomorrow. Because even though my haul is small, it is so amazing. So, I hope you will turn in for that. Alright, so this is going to be a really short Monday morning coffee because I got to get ready to go to the doctor's. I hate going to doctor's offices. It's not my favorite places to be. But hopefully this week is going to be a great week. Not only for me, but for you as well. Have fun. Do lots of crafting this week. And I look forward to seeing some of the creations that you guys create this week. I try to watch everybody's video. I am very behind on my video watching. And if you watched last Monday's, you know why. But I am trying to catch up with my video watching. But I'm always excited to see what my friends are creating. And so I will be watching this week. Alright guys, hope you have a wonderful week. Please watch for the videos as they come out from me. And I just thank you for your loyal support. And I love each and every one of you. So have a wonderful day today. Keep an eye out for them videos. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, yeah, I'm a little like all over the place sometimes on Monday morning. But I hope that you will hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell so you can join me when I upload some crafty videos. Alright, thanks so much and I will see you all soon. Bye!